Hi there everybody, my name is Joeri from The Magic Sauce and I am stoked to be speaking to you at the Future of Now talk shop where we're going to be talking about your future. Let's predict your future. Let's see what your future holds, where you should put your investment, whether you're going to find love and happiness, how your business is going to go, what the world will turn into. Yeah, let's not. Because that of course does not exist. We cannot predict the future. In fact, we are terrible predictors of the future. What often happens is clever consultants and futurists make a bunch of predictions, and because of confirmation bias, we only remember the ones that they got right and we forget about all the other hit rates. People now looking back at last year saying, well, I saw that one coming, but hindsight is always 20/20. You are just as good as the next guy in predicting your future, which is not very good, but you can always get better at preparing for possibility. And the best thing is you don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on clever consultants and agencies to get you to that point, to get you to look at those possibilities. And that's what this little talk shop is going to be about. I've got a little simple framework and a couple of tools which you can just take and start working with. It's not perfect, it's not waterproof, it won't predict the future, but it will get you better at preparing for possibility. So if the future is dear to you, join me for this talk shop. Now make sure I'll make it super practical, super engaging, and maybe even a bit of fun as well. I'll see you there.